Okay, so above the troposphere, which generally has a cooling with height, we come to the stratosphere. And what defines the stratosphere is that as you go up in it, it warms with height rather than cooling. Why is that? Okay, so we're now far away from contact of ground. Most of the greenhouse gases are below us, so a lot of the heat has been trapped. What's going on up here is mostly that the sun is shining on the ozone, especially in the upper parts of the stratosphere, and ozone absorbs solar radiation and warms up. So, yes, the sun does warm up gases directly when it shines on them. It's just that in the lower atmosphere below the stratosphere, that's not the main thing going on. But up in the stratosphere, it is temperature wise. And so, fortunately, that ozone up there absorbs that harmful UV radiation that gives us sunburns, and therefore we have very little of that at the surface compared with what we would otherwise have. So that's the stratosphere. Now we get to the mesosphere, you have a cooling again, and then the thermosphere, there's a rise in temperature as it go up in the thermosphere, going, say, 50 miles and outwards. And that rise is um, due to individual molecules absorbing solar radiation. One of the things that I'd like you to look at, if you didn't do it already, is the video um, in about the aurora borealis. There's a few remarks I have on that, so make sure you view that. It's just about 3 minutes long, so you want to go back and do that if you haven't done that already.